Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Settings, open Screen Time, and look at the summary to confirm it's active. If Screen Time isn't enabled, tap Turn on Screen Time, choose This is my iPhone or This is my child's iPhone. Once done, set a passcode if you want to prevent changes. Make sure you note that passcode. Without it, parental restrictions can be bypassed. This step creates the control layer you'll inspect and change in the next steps. Now dive into app limits and content and privacy restrictions to see what's blocked or limited. Tap App Limits to view categories with time caps. You can add or edit limits for social networking, games, or entertainment. Then enable content and privacy restrictions and inspect iTunes and App Store purchases, allowed apps, and content ratings so you understand what's permitted. Make changes by toggling switches and setting a finish by checking downtime and communication limits so controls match your rules. Configure downtime to block apps during bedtime or study hours and add always allowed apps for essentials. Open communication limits to restrict who can call or message during screen time or downtime. After adjustments, test on the child's device to confirm behavior. If something doesn't work, restart the iPhone, confirm the screen time passcode, and reopen settings. Often a restart clears permission caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.